All right, folks, so now we're going to continue on to like part 16, maybe 17 of this project. And what I want to do is I want to give users the ability to add locations. I might have to redesign the database a little bit because we're just kind of doing this as we go. All right, so um, let's have a look first at what the database for locations looks like. And I've got it up here. Locations has a location ID, location code, name, address, and user ID. Okay. Is that enough? I don't know, because when we upload a new machine, let's look at the machines table. Right, describe machines. The machines table has a placement variable. That I don't know. I don't know if that should be there. I think that placement maybe should come out of machines and it should be in a new table that is it contains all the necessary foreign keys in it, right, to create that relationship. I don't know, man. It's tough to think about. Maybe we can. I mean, these are the problems that ChatGPT. It's difficult for it to solve from the get-go because it's like, should I have built this app around having placement in machines? Do I fix that now? No, I'm not going to fix it now because I am what's known as lazy. So we're just going to create this new file called add-location.handlebars in the views directory. We're going to let placement be more of a machine-dependent identifier. The machine's going to a location, but the placement is really about the machine. You know, whether that's like front desk or front this or whatever. I don't want to get into diagramming every freaking location. I just want to know that this machine is placement could be like prominent. Placement could be back room. You know, that doesn't this sort of stuff. All right. So here we go. Into views we go. We create a new file called add-location.handlebars. Here in views, right? That's in views. Add-location. Here, okay. Add in Express.js, we need to add the new add location page, which is used with this app.get. So we go here. I want to put this next to the other app.gets, maybe like this one. You know, it's like, I don't know, we'll add a little commenterino. Oh my god, it knows my freaking nav bar. And we can edit navigation in nav. I didn't even give it nav bar at handlebars, but it remembers. We'll go back over here. Where the heck are you, navbar? And navbar, it is in partials. Jeez, man. This stuff is like spooky good. Location code. The heck is location code? Location code goes into here. I don't think that this route has been clearly defined yet, but I just want to see what the page looks like. I know already this didn't give me all the code that I needed. Oof. Something's got something's gotten goofed here with our nav bar. Let's go back. Right, yeah, our nav bar has been goofed in a way. Nav class, nav bar. I don't know why it decided to do that. Maybe if we do this. Not good. Let's fix this nav bar. Oh yeah, you want to know why? Then take that out. Yeah, there you go. Now we have add location. Are we signed in though? We're not signed in, right? Add location, add location. Okay, so we're not signed in, right? We should be redirected here. So if I go over to the add product route, let's see how that's different from the add location route, or even this sign in route. See, add location res. Maybe we have to do. Maybe we got to do one of these bad boys, right? And then wrap. Right, and then we just put that here, right? Maybe. I'm sleuthing. From literally 0, how beautiful is that? To, I knew nothing about Express.js when I started this. This has fully taught me how to use all, just by trial and error. How great is that? Okay. But what we... See, it didn't take us to add location. Is that the end of the world? I don't know. You know, like, if I'm logged out, right, and I go add product, and I go to here, add product, I'm just kind of noticing this. It takes us back to the dashboard no matter what. That's a usability thing that we could probably fix down the road. We have our add location here. That's good enough, I think. What I know now is that this route's not set up. So we're going to set up that route, and we're going to update the database in the next video. So thank you for watching. We've created our new add location page, and in the next video, we're going to set up the route to actually properly post that data. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.